Time to learn one new thing.
Inside this tiny seed is everything needed to grow a full plant. But most seeds fail simply because people skip one key step. Here's exactly how to grow a plant from a single seed, the right way. A seed is basically a tiny plant already packed inside a protective shell. It also carries a small store of food to fuel its first days of growth. To wake that seed up, it needs three things: water, warmth, and soil. Step 1. Plant the seed in loose soil about as deep as the seed is wide. Step 2. Water the soil until it feels moist, not soaking wet. Water seeps into the seed and softens its outer shell. That softened shell allows the tiny plant inside to finally start growing. Step 3. Place the pot somewhere warm with plenty of light. A tiny root grows downward first, anchoring the plant and searching for more water. Then a small sprout pushes upward, breaking through the surface of the soil. Step 4. Keep the soil lightly watered as tiny leaves begin to unfold. Here's the surprising part. The seed already knows which way is up. Roots always grow down and stems always grow up, no matter how the seed lands. That's because the seed can sense gravity itself. So no matter how you plant it, the seed always finds its way to the light. So growing a plant really just means giving a seed what it already knows how to use. Water, warmth, light, and a little patience is really all it takes. If you want to learn one new thing tomorrow, I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends so they can learn one new thing too.